This video demonstrates comparing documents or directories for an entire project using Oxygen comparison tools to generate documents that highlight the differences detected between the two versions. The resulting documents can be opened in Oxygen XML Editor with the track changes highlighted, making it easy to review the changes and accept or reject them. The resulting documents from the comparison can also be published to PDF or web help with the changes highlighted in case you prefer to review the differences in one of those formats. The first part of the demonstration shows an example of processing a comparison of two versions of a single XML document, while the second part shows a conceptual example of processing a comparison of directories for an entire project. In the first part of the video, I'll demonstrate using the Merge Documents with Change Tracking Highlights tool to compare a pair of XML documents and merge them into a resulting separate document that has highlighted track changes that can then be reviewed and accepted or rejected. For this demonstration, I have a sample project that contains two main folders that represent two versions of the same file structure. The Space Videos Branch folder contains various changes within the file structure, while the Space Videos main folder represents the main version of the project. I've made a copy of a document from that main folder, and I'll open it in the editor. In my particular use case, I want to compare it to another version of the same document in the other folder so that I can identify and review the changes using the change tracking feature, and ultimately merge them back into the original document, which is why I made a copy of it, since I'll ultimately be overwriting the original file. To invoke the Merge tool, I'll go to Tools, then Comparison Tools, and I'll select Merge Documents with Change Tracking Highlights. In the resulting dialog box, it automatically selected the current document for the base document, and I need to specify the URL of the corresponding document from the branch directory, and click Merge. Notice that the changes are tracked in the document and listed as track changes in the Review view on the right. I'll save the new document now, overwriting the original document. Over in the Review view, I'll click on a few of the items that show that you can quickly navigate to each change, and you could accept or reject each change individually, or you can accept all changes at once. I'll go ahead and undo that. You could also reject all changes at once, and again I'll undo that. And then I'll save it again. Now that I have this merged document that incorporates the change tracking markers, I could also review the highlighted changes between the two versions in PDF format instead of reviewing them in Oxygen's editor. To do so, I would need to apply a PDF transformation on the document that resulted from the merge process. So I'll click the Configure Transformation Scenarios button on the toolbar. I'll select the Data PDF based on HTML5 and CSS scenario and duplicate it so that I can make changes. To show the change tracking markers in the output, some parameters need to be set, so I'll go to the Parameters tab and I'll use the Filter field to narrow the list. All three of these parameters must be set to the value of yes. Once finished, I'll click OK. And I'll apply the configured scenario. Once the transformation is complete, the document automatically opens in your default PDF viewer. I'll open the comments view in my viewer to show that the changes are listed as track changes, similarly to Oxygen's review view. I can hover over the colored markers within the document to see a tooltip that describes the type of change. Note that the fragments with detected changes also have a gray vertical bar to the left, and the changed content appears between curly brackets and is colored red or blue depending on whether the type of change is a deletion or insertion. In the second part of the video, I will demonstrate using the Merge Directories with Change Tracking Highlights tool to compare and merge a pair of directories, and all of the files involved in the process are saved as separate documents with highlighted track changes that can then be reviewed and accepted or rejected. I'm using the same sample project as in the first chapter. It contains two main folders that represent two versions of the same file structure. The branch folder contains various changes within the file structure, while the main folder represents the original or main version of the project. I want to compare the two directories so that I can identify and review any changes between any of the files within the directories using the change tracking feature. To invoke the Merge tool, I'll go to Tools, then Comparison Tools, and I'll select Merge Directories with Change Tracking highlights. In the resulting dialog box, I need to specify the base directory, the directory to merge with, and an output directory where the results of the process will be saved. There are also some merge options that I will now explain. For the options that are already selected, the enabled Update the Modified Non-XML Files option results in all files in the output directory that are copies of non-XML files in the base directory being replaced by their corresponding files in the directory to merge with. Otherwise, they remain unchanged. The enabled Add the Files Found Only in the Directory to Merge With option results in all files that are only present in the directory to merge with being added to the output directory. The enabled Delete the Files Found Only in the Base Directory option results in all files that are only present in the base directory and initially copied to the output directory being deleted. And the enabled Open the Operation Report File in Editor option opens the resulting merge operation report in the editor. I'll also select the Create Change Tracking Markers for the XML files to be added option. You would select this option if you want to create change tracking markers for the XML files that are only present in the directory to merge with and will be added to the output directory. Although these files have no counterparts in the base directory, change tracking markers of the type Entire Content Added or Inserted will be created. This option is not necessarily intended for the merge process itself, but it is useful if you want to apply oxygen transformation scenarios to the resulting output directory, as you will see in a few minutes. After the merge process is finished, the operation report is opened in the editor. And now I'll offer a bit of explanation of the report. The first group of URLs listed represents the group of XML files detected as modified and merged with change tracking highlights. You can click on a URL to open the file in the editor. You can see that the changes are tracked in the document and listed as tracked changes in the review view on the right. Going back to the report, the next non-XML files section would contain files from the base directory that were replaced by their corresponding files in the directory to merge with. There were none in my case. The next section contains the XML files that were initially present only in the directory to merge with. I'll click on one of these URLs to open it in the editor. Since I enabled the option called Create Change Tracking Markers for the XML files to be added, you can see that a single change tracking marker was created that adds the entire content of the file. I can accept the change just like any other track change. And I'll save the file. Back to the report, the next group is non-XML files initially present only in the directory to merge with, and they were also copied to the output directory. Clicking one of these URLs will open it in the appropriate system application, such as the image viewer in this case. The last section represents the group of files from the base directory that no longer have counterparts in the directory to merge with. The links work for them as well, opening the associated files from the base directory in the editor. Now, since this data map is from the merge directory that resulted from the merge process, I can apply an Oxygen PDF transformation on the map to see highlighted changes between the compared versions in PDF format instead of using Oxygen's editor. So in the Data Maps Manager, I'll click the Configure Transformation Scenarios button, and I'll select the Data Map PDF based on HTML5 and CSS scenario and duplicate it so that I can make changes. I'll go to the Parameters tab and I'll use the Filter field to narrow the list. All three of the parameters must be set to the value of yes. Once finished, I'll click OK and apply the scenario. Once the transformation is complete, the document should automatically open in your default PDF viewer. You can already see that the change tracking markers are visible. I'll navigate to a document that was added during the merge process. It was not previously present in the main directory, and the entire content of the document is inserted in an auto merger type of track change, as you can see when I hover over the colored marker. You could also use a web help transformation to view the highlighted changes in an HTML format. So I'll click the Configure Transformation Scenarios button, and this time I'll select the Data Map Web Help Responsive scenario and duplicate it so that I can make changes. I'll go to the Parameters tab and I'll use the Filter field to narrow the list. For the Web Help transformation, this particular parameter needs to be set to Yes. Once finished, I'll click OK. I'll disassociate the PDF scenario and apply the Web Help one. Once the transformation is complete, the Web Help output is opened in your default browser. I'll navigate to a few topics that have changes. And you can see that the track changes are highlighted in the Web Help version as well. That concludes this demonstration of Oxygen's tools for comparing and merging documents and directories while utilizing change tracking highlights. As always, thank you for watching.